Finding the right niche is the secret to Amazon success. I'll be showing you how to find them quick in today's video. So I already have a niche that I found in a matter of seconds, and it's going to be horse products, right? Not dog toys, not cat toys, but horses, okay? So definitely underutilized. This one only has 2 photos. They're selling this little piece of mesh for 30 bucks. And they're making $17,000 a month. And I know for a fact this doesn't cost $29 or nearly $29. It's probably $5 to make. Another mesh. This one only has 207 ratings, 500 bought in the past month. This one's a little bit more optimized, but again, $40,000 a month is hard to beat, and there is low competition in this niche. Last but not least, this one has terrible reviews, but it's still making $10,000 a month. Now, the reason why the reviews are so bad is this product breaks very quickly. And for $49, or pretty much 50 bucks for this, it's a little crazy considering the quality. So you can make something that's better quality. And I know for a fact people are willing to invest more in their horses because they're buying this because it's the only option. So this is potentially a profitable niche that you can start in right away. Now, the easiest way to find a profitable niche that I found is using the tool Helium 10. So you can just go to Google, type in Helium 10, or go to the website. There's also a link in the description, and then you can quickly sign up for free to try it out. Now, they do have this tool called Black Box. So you can go to Tools, go to Black Box, and this is where you can find different niches and see what works best the fastest. So if we're going right here, I'm just going to show you how I found those pet products. So I just went to pet supplies. It's like an ad lib. You just fill this out. And now what this says is I'm looking for items in the US. Pet supplies, they need some improvement. There's a medium amount of competition. The product's selling for $30 to $100, and the monthly revenue is above $10,000 a month. Then I'm just going to click search, and it's going to give me a whole list of different items, right? We've got a lot of dog products, but what we want to be looking for is those horse products and something that stands out that's different from the rest. So right off the bat, we can just look at more and more items, and then they have a lot of different options for you. And the thing is, the results change every day. So if you come back the next day, it's going to be different items. We already found another item for horses. And this is kind of where I started to dive deeper into the horse niche, because I was like, hold on, this product has a 3.8 star and it's making $40,000 a month. What other products are there for horses? Are there horse toys, right? There's dog toys. Are there horse toys, right? What do you buy for your dog that maybe they don't have for horses? And that's just going to bring out, because we all know horse lovers, and that's where things become really big, right? So this tool really does stand out and find so many different niches and so many different items. We haven't even dove into cats yet, right? And you can edit the filters, and we can go pet supplies, and we can dive deeper into these niches. So we're like, okay, horses are great. There's insect products, reptiles, small animals, fishes, birds, right? So there's so many different options to dive into these as well. If you already have a product, you can also go to the link in our description and get a free listing audit. Just type in your ASIN. And then what happens is we're going to look at all your top competitors for you and tell you exactly how to improve your sales through your listing optimization. So that's a great tool as well to help if you already have a product and need to increase sales. But let's look at more items throughout this. So we did pet supplies. I'm going to go into a whole different niche now, and we're going to do tools and home improvement. And then you could also filter the review count. So I want to find someone that has like 1 star, like 1 review to, let's do 200. And they have a pretty bad rating. The sales price, I want to go a little bit higher, 150. I'm willing to spend more. And you're going to click apply filters. And then you can kind of just go into each niche and then double down on a specific niche. So we can actually find products. And I already found this rescue ladder that would actually probably be pretty good for houses. So I'm going to open that up, and we're going to look at that in a second. And then we've got tarp. So yeah, we can find different items very quickly. Let's find one more. DNA monitoring, tile cutter. What the heck? Okay, let's look for rescue ladder. that costs $108, which is a little bit insane for the price. Okay, this one has no reviews. This one has no reviews and they're making $12,000 a month. Let's just double check because that's completely insane. And there it is, 0 reviews, but they're making $12,000 a month. Okay, this is pretty unheard of. So I would look at the competitors just to make sure, but this could be another item that has a lot of potential, right? And then we're looking at the other one that I just found, another niche. It's got 3.2 stars. People are still buying it. They're making $28,000 a month, which is completely insane. So it's pretty much a crappy tile cutter. And we can look at the reviews to see why it's so bad. Don't buy because it doesn't work. Price is good for what you get, terrible for cutting large tiles. So they should probably make it more specific that it's for smaller tiles instead of for larger tiles. And we can see there are some competitors, but this is a great way to find different niches. And you can double down on a niche, especially if you know the product. If you have horses, if you like insects, there's different insect products, right? If you don't like insects, there's special insect killers you can make. So there's a lot of different items that you can find on here extremely quickly. And then you double down and go specific on each niche, like this double shower head, another great niche. And then kind of just going down the rabbit hole and then doubling down on a niche that has low competition. Now, I already gave you one, which is the horse products. I'm not going to launch that product myself because I don't have horses, right? If I had horses, that'd be a great product for me to launch. But I really want to make sure, and you should make sure, when you go into a category, you understand it, or you can actually you work with somebody that does understand the product. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full account management service. This is where we're going to come in. We're going to be doing product research for you. We'll also be managing your current inventory, customer service, designs, SEO, running your ads, removing fakes, and most importantly, helping your sales grow. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in your business every single day. That's what we do best. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.